When you think of fitness bands, the first brand that comes to mind is Xiaomi, because its Mi Band offers very good value for money and is quite feature packed. The Mi Band 5 lacked SpO2 tracking, and a lot of people were quite vocal about it. Well, because it was a feature that was kind of the need of the hour. Now Xiaomi has fixed that, and you get it in the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. Now that I have the device with me, I'm going to go ahead, unbox it and give you my first impressions of it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So here is what the box of the Xiaomi Mi Band 6 looks like. So all black box, and as you can see, it has some of the features mentioned here. The main one is blood oxygen saturation monitoring. So this feature has been introduced on the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. So here's the Mi Band 6. As you can see, you get a sort of documentation with the device. Pretty much tells you how to put the capsule back into the strap, how charging works. I should go about wearing it. This here seems to be the charger, and you can see it's quite compact. This is a magnetic charger that you get. So this is a magnetic charger, and this is a full-size USB on the other end, and pretty much that's about it. These are the two main things in the box: the Mi Band 6 and the charger. I'll have to power it on to start it. Let's quickly connect it to a power bank and use that to power it up. So as you can see, the Mi Band has powered up. It's currently at 0% charge. Now while the Mi Band 6 is being charged, I'm going to quickly run you through some of the specifications of the Mi Band 6. So at the front, you now get a 1.56 inch AMOLED display. The Mi Band 5 also had an AMOLED display, but it was 1.1 inches in size. In terms of the resolution, it's 152 by 486 pixels, and you get about 326 ppi on it. The screen brightness is up to 450 nits, and this is a tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating on it. You can see the strap design is pretty much unchanged. It's pin design. You have to basically tuck it through the strap and then pin it. I'm going to quickly take it off the charger and show you the underside of the Mi Band 6. As you can see, it's got the sensors at the bottom. So these sensors are for heart rate as well as SpO2 tracking, and these are the charging pins. And that is what I've been using to charge the Mi Band 6, and this is a magnetic charger. So as you could probably see, it just snaps on, and you don't really need to fiddle with getting the charger on the device, nor do you have to get the capsule out. Now you can remove the capsule and change the band if required. Xiaomi has also sent two bands with it. So I'm going to just show you the bands as well. Now these are the two bands that I got with the Mi Band 6. So these are replacement bands. Now this does mention 5 on it, and I think that the bands are identical to what they were with the Mi Band 5. So I think the shape of the capsule, the shape and size of the capsule hasn't changed, which is good because you can probably use Mi Band 5 accessories with the Mi Band 6 as well. So now I'm going to wait for some time so that this gets adequately charged, after which I will continue and run you through the setup process and give you my first impressions of the Mi Band 6. So now I've got sufficient charge on it. I'm going to disconnect it from the charger, As you can see, the Mi Band 6 has powered on, it's ready to pair. The first thing that I did notice is, check out the display. The older Mi Bands had a rectangular display while the capsule was still curved. Now the display also pretty much curves around the edges, so you no longer have a rectangular display, but this display is curved. And the bezels, well, they're pretty much even on three sides, so I think the bottom chin is a little thicker. So let's try pair the device. And Xiaomi says that it's compatible with multiple apps, so you can use the Mi Fit app or the Mi Wear app. So I have the Xiaomi Wear app with me, and now quickly see if it is capable of detecting it. I've got two other Xiaomi devices, the Mi devices already paired on it. Yes, it does have the option for the Mi Band 6. As you can see, it is ready to pair with the phone. The setup process was very simple. Simply needed a click on the Mi Band 6 to get it. Now the app is also showing us a few features of the Mi Band 6. Large screen blood oxygen measurement, that is something that is new. I'm eager to try it out. It also has a heart rate sensor and it is capable of tracking your heart rate. It also does sleep tracking. Now there are 30 workout types, and this is up from the 11 types that the Mi Band 5 could record. It also has this new feature called nighttime breathing monitoring. Let's quickly run you through all the different options that you can see on the band. So you do have weather information, music playback control, heart rate as well. I'm going to quickly wear it and see how it is. Now the strap material is really nice and the band feels very light. In terms of the battery capacity in the band, Xiaomi mentions it has a 125 mAh battery and claims that this battery is going to offer about 14 days of standby time. Now this standby time, I will be reviewing this to find out how long does it last with, say, tracking workouts, sleep, and even SpO2 provide. In terms of sensor, it has the heart rate sensor. It's got a 3-axis accelerometer and a 3-axis gyroscope. As you can see, it has quickly picked up my heart rate. So I can swipe up now for all the different functions. There are all the different features that are there on the band. Heart rate is something I've already measured. Quickly access notifications, workout, also does stress tracking. So these are all the features available on it. Now coming to the app, you should be able to customize a couple of settings from the app itself. In terms of watch faces, there are multiple watch faces that you can download onto the Mi Band 6. And as usual, you can select the kind of apps you want to notify you on the wrist. At the same time, you will be able to check your sleep patterns and everything else on this app. So the band pairs to the phone using Bluetooth 5 and it is compatible with Android 5 and above, as well as smartphones running iOS 10 and above. Mi Band 6 is also water resistant up to 5 ATM, so I think you should be completely fine taking a swim with this. Shouldn't be much of an issue. Now as you can see, the interface is very smooth. Scrolling is not much of an issue. Text is legible and I think you can change the brightness as well if you want to on it. So I will be using this device for a few weeks and giving you my full review of it. So if you are in the market looking at the Mi Band 6, well, stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for the full review.